Last summer, when the Toledo Walleye announced they would be back at full strength this season, it was only natural to include defenseman 𝗦𝗽cie𝗿𝘁𝘀 in the festivities downtown. After all, 𝗦𝗽cie is from Northwest Ohio, growing up in Sylvania, and this season on the ice he has proven the wisdom of that decision, appearing in 52 games, racking up 23 points, and his +19 rating leads all Walleye defensemen as the 26-year-old is enjoying playing for his hometown team.
I mean, it's really special, especially the atmosphere, like all the fans coming to the games. And, I get a lot of family and friends that come to every game. And so it's really special, And I feel really lucky that I get this chance to, play back home. And because, not many guys get this chance. So.
Well, you know what? 𝗦𝗽𝐺's an elite skater at this level, playmaker, unbelievable guy within that locker room. So to have a local product kind of following the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 footsteps and have the ability to show the guys around Toledo what it's all about, how special it is. We can't say enough about how much 𝗦𝗏𝗏 has meant to this team within the locker room and on the ice.
Meier open, he scores!
Occasionally, the Walleye practice at 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝘶, bringing Meier full circle to the rink he first learned to play on.
It's a little cold in here, so some of the guys complain about it, but no, I love coming back here because yeah, it was my childhood. I grew up. This is where I first skated. So, yeah, it's nice. Like you said, full circle coming back. So I actually enjoy coming here, despite what some of the guys say.
Recently, Toledo added Quinn Preston to the roster. The rookie out of Ohio State played with Meier in Columbus. The forward from Trenton, Michigan has 2 goals and 4 assists in 7 games as the old friends are enjoying playing together once again.
I got to know Quinn really well. We became really good friends. And, he's just from Trenton, so he's, 40 minutes up the road. And so for him to be here and he gets to play back in, in front of his family and friends, I think it's really special.
It's really good. I'm a really big fan of 𝗦𝗽𝗏. We were roommates for 1 year in college, so it's really good to get back with him, spend some time with him, his family, his girlfriend. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝘏, too. I know him for a while, so it's been really exciting and gives me a familiar face, a little more comfortability, so it's been really nice.
All right, so you're a former roommate. What do you know about 𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗏 that most people don't know about him?
He'll do anything for his dog, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝘶. He's a little dog dad, but he's a little simp for his dog, so.
Me and my girlfriend had a dog together my senior year, and so Quinn, got to know her. Her name's 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and yeah, I spoiled her a bit down at school, so. Quinn, if you give him a bag of hot Cheetos, it'd probably last 5 minutes. He buries hot Cheetos. So yeah, it's something about Quinn that not many people know.
So there's Cheeto dust all over the place.
Oh man, he like I swear he could eat a bag of Cheetos before a game. Like it doesn't matter. He just keeps eating them. So.
Meier and Preston aren't the only former Buckeyes in Toledo. John Albert played at Ohio State about a decade before they did, as reuniting college teammates is a good way to maintain continuity with an ever-changing roster.
It does. Obviously when you come to a new team, you're trying to find familiar faces. You're trying to see are there guys that we played with before, guys you maybe play against. So to have an actual teammate that you spent 3 years with, or two to 3 years with on the roster, again, it's just that comfort level. Walk in, you know somebody, and now they can ease right in, get the introductions out of the way, and then, again, just try and fit and gel in with the team as best you can.
With the postseason right around the corner, Meier knows just how much it would mean to bring Toledo its first hockey title since the '94 Storm won the Riley Cup.
I think all the guys know just the fans and the way, they would enjoy it, and I think that's what we're really trying to do here is, it's been a long time since they've had a championship here, and, the past couple of years they've had really good teams and they've gotten close. And so I think that's what we know, if we can get there and, bring a championship, I think, it'll be a big party downtown, and, that's what we want, so.